This recording was recovered from a decommissioned emergency dispatch server in Clark County. The file was labeled simply "Do Not Review." What you are about to hear is an unedited call. No official report was ever filed. The caller was never identified. Play recording. "911, what is your emergency?"
I don't know where I am.
Sir, I need you to stay calm. Can you tell me your name?
I don't think I have one anymore.
Okay, that's all right. Can you describe your surroundings?
It's dark. Not like night. It's like the dark is closer than it should be.
Are you inside a building?
I thought I was, but the walls keep moving.
Sir, are you injured?
No, but something else is here.
What do you mean, something else?
It's been repeating me.
I'm sorry?
It's been repeating me.
Sir, I'm going to need you to...
911, what is your emergency?
Sir? Sir, I need you to stay calm. Who is this?
Stay calm. I think it hurt you too.
I'm tracing your call now.
No, don't do that.
Why not?
Because it's not coming from where I am. It's coming from where you are.
Hello?
Did you hear that?
That's not possible.
It's getting closer now.
What is?
You. We found you.
Who is we?
You are.
This isn't funny. Identify yourself.
This is you.
911, what is your emergency? I don't know where I am. The call was logged as lasting 6 hours. Only this portion remains. No dispatcher was reported missing, but the system still receives calls from that line.